Hello everyone, we are going to create a project AI website analyzer or summarizer using the Gen AI model Mistral. With the help of Mistral model, we are going to analyze this website. What are all the contents, what are all the values present in this website, we are going to summarize. For this project, just create a new folder. Inside the folder, create a Python file and open the folder with VS Code. So after that, you need to install Olama from the website. For that, open Google and type download Olama. After that, open the first website, download Olama on Windows. You have to select the version. If you want Mac, you can select Mac. If you want Linux, you can select Linux. If you want Windows, you can select Windows. I'm going to select Windows. So just select download for Windows. So after that, you can able to see the download option. It will be 2 GB. You have to wait for this. It will take some time based on your internet speed. After the download is completed, you can able to open the setup.exe file. Just open the file. You can see the install option. Just select that. Now again you have to wait for that. It will take some time. It will install all the libraries required for this Olama. So after the installation is completed, you can able to see the Olama from your desktop. So this is the GUI for the Olama. You can also see the lot of commands. If you want, you can use the codex, open code, copilot, droid. Also you can see the settings. If you want to auto download the updates, you can enable the option. You can also see the models download location. If you want, you can change. So I'm going to select the default option. So these are all the settings. If you want, you can reset. Otherwise, just go back. So this is how you can install the Olama from the website. So remember that first you need to install this. After that only you can able to download, install any other models in local for your system. That's it. Now we are going to install the model Mistral. You have to type this code in the terminal. Olama pull Mistral, M-I-S-T-R-A-L. You can see the size of the model. It will be 4 GB. You have to wait for that. After that, you can close the terminal. Now we are going to import the package and set up the environment. First, we have to import request package. We have to import the second package from BS4, import beautiful soup. Okay, this is the package useful for website analyzing. Okay, so we have to import the two package, request and BS4. Now we need to set up the server, Olama server. For that you have to type Olama URL. You have to type HTTP localhost So to type the port number 11434/API/generate. So we are going to use the local host with the port number to run this Olama server. So after that you have to type the model. We are going to import the model Mistral. That will be the model useful for this project. So this is how you can import the packages and set up the environment for our project. In the next class, we are going to discuss about the functions. Now we are going to discuss about how to fetch the website content. We can use the package Beautiful Soap to get the content from the website. So for that, first we need to create a function def get website of URL. We need to get the URL from the user, then only we can able to fetch the content. So inside the function you have to type try. Inside the try we need to get the response from the URL. You have to type response equal to request get of URL. From the URL we need to get the response. After that, using the package Beautiful Soap, we can get the content. We can fetch the content. Response.text, comma, HTML parser. We need to get the HTML content. And then we are going to create a for loop to remove the unwanted script style from the HTML. Okay. We need to remove those. It is not useful for our project. For that only you have to type for tag in soup of script, comma, style. We need to remove those JavaScript and then CSS styles. It is not useful for our project. We need only the text. You have to type tag.decompose off. It will remove all those unnecessary styles and script. And then you have to type text equal to soup of soup dot get text of separator equal to single quotation. Okay, we are going to get the text from the website and store the text. After that we need to return the output. You have to type return text. So we can provide the limitation for the text characters 3000. So after that we need to close the try with except. If there are any errors we need to handle. Except exception as E, return error as E. If there are any errors from fetching the details like internet error or 404 content error like that, we need to provide those errors in the output. So that's it. So this is how we can fetch the content from the website. So using the URL we can get the response. After that we can use the Beautiful Soap to extract the content. And then we need to remove the unwanted script and styles. After that we need to get the text. The limitation will be 3000. 3000 characters it will be getted. At last we need to handle the errors. That's it. In the next class we are going to summarize the website. Hi, now we are going to discuss about the function for how to summarize the website content. So you have to create a new function def sum website, that is summarize website from the argument context or content. So you have to create a prompt. So you have to provide the prompt first. So you can type your prompt for the model like you are an AI website analyzer. analyze the website content, and provide summary, short summary for the website. Likewise, you can type your own prompt, and then you have to type the content. The content will be like content. So this is the content. You have to close the prompt. So after that, we need to get the response. So first we need to provide the request to the server, and then server will provide the response. Olama URL. The server is running in the Olama URL, and then we are going to get the JSON format output like key value pair. We are going to tell the server use the model and use the prompt. We are going to use this prompt, and then we are not streaming the output. It will be false. And then you have to return the response. Return response dot JSON of response. So that's it. So this is the function for summarizing the website content. You have to create a prompt, and then you have to tell the model. You have to provide the request for the model, use the model Llama 3 and prompt and streaming. After that, the server will provide the response. That will be our response. In the next class, we are going to create our main function. Okay guys, now we are going to create our main function and complete the project. So you have to create a main function def main of while true, while all the conditions are satisfied, we are going to get the URL. So user have to provide the URL of the website. You have to type URL equal to input of enter website URL. So after that, we are going to get the condition, if condition, if the URL dot lower of equal to exit. So if the user types the text exit, we are going to break the condition, if condition, and then you have to type content. Otherwise, we need to provide the content equal to get website. You have to call the function get website. Inside that, you have to provide the URL. After that, you have to call the function for the result, summarize website, using the content. Using the content of the website, you have to summarize. After that, you have to print the result. So this is the while condition. Now you have to call the main function. If name equal to main colon main of. This is how you can call the main function. So this is our main function for this project. First, you have to get the URL from the user. After that, you have to check for the condition. If the URL is exit, you have to break the condition. Otherwise, you have to print the result. You have to call the function get website of URL and summarize the website content. At last, you have to print the result. So now you have to run this code. and then you have to type the website URL. So you have to copy the website URL and paste the website URL and select enter. So you can see the website content summarized. So you can see the website is about providing the tutorial for machine learning, artificial intelligence. So this is the short summary of the website content. So that's it guys. This project is very simple. First we need to download the Mistral project. After that you have to import the model. Also you have to import the second model, Beautiful Soap. If you face any errors in installing the package, just type pip install Beautiful Soap. It will remove the error. After that you have to create a function for getting the website content. So you have to get the content from the website and remove unwanted style script from the website and get the result. After that you have to summarize the content. So you have to use the model Mistral to summarize the content. At last you have to call the main function to run this project. So this is how you can create a project for website content summarizer using the model Mistral.